Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am MasaudSec and today I am going to show you how you can discover subdomain. Well, the topic is subdomain enumeration. So if you are into cybersecurity, ethical hacking, or just want to learn how to uncover hidden subdomains for a website, you are in the right place. Okay, so the thing is we are going to utilize a powerful tool which is Subfinder. It will be super easy and step by step. So before diving into subdomain practical, we should actually know what subdomain enumeration actually is. So subdomain enumeration is the process of discovering subdomains associated with a domain. Associated with a domain. For example, let's say we have a domain which is example.com. Now the blog.example.com and let's say shop.example.com will be considered as the subdomains associated with example.com. So this is what subdomain is, and this is how it looks like. So this technique is commonly used in cybersecurity to uh, identify attack surface for penetration testing, gather information during reconnaissance in bug bounty hunting, understand the structure of an organization's web presence. Okay, so now let's try to install it. Well, for this, the Go language should be installed. If it is not installed, well, I am assuming that you are using Kali Linux, so it comes pre-installed with Go language. For example, if you just type Go version, it will tell you that hey, this is your current Go version. But if it is not installed, all you need to do is to, if you are a non root user, you just need to type sudo. As in my case, I do not need it because I am already a root user. Okay, so you just need to type apt update and apt install and go lang hyphen y. Okay, what it will do, it will install Go language for you. In my case, it is already installed, so I do not need to perform this step. After that, what we need to do, all we need to do is to go to Google and type sub one second. Finder GitHub. Yeah, all we need to do is to go to Google and type Subfinder GitHub. Here is the official repository. Just click on it, and after that, here you will find out the installation method. So if you click on install, this is the entire installation, step by step. So it is super easy. All you need to do is to copy, and after copying it up, just paste it on the terminal. As in my case, subfinder is already installed, but it's okay, I will do it again. The important thing, once it get installed, you need to move it from your root go bin directory to user bin directory. So in that case, you will be able to execute it anywhere from your terminal. You just need to type move root go bin subfinder. Okay, just shift it to user and bin. That's all. No, it is fully ready. You can use it through your terminal anywhere. So from anywhere, you just need to type Subfinder to confirm everything is working perfectly. Yes, it is working perfectly, and it is currently the latest version that we have it. Okay, that's cool. Now let's try to understand how it works. The first thing that you need to do, you can literally create an API configuration file. Okay, and the default path for its config.yml is this one. Let me show you nano. um yeah, this current location, the one that I have dropped just so here what you need to do, you can literally provide all the APIs, and it will use them and it will be working more perfectly. But right now we do not, I'm not going to go deep into this process, so you can skip it, it will still work perfectly. Now let's try to find out how we can actually find subdomains. So for this, let me use it. You just need to type subfinder and then hyphen d, okay, which is a flag in order to find subdomains. So then you just need to provide the target. So let's say the target is hacker1.com. Hacker1.com. Okay. And I literally want to output the result, as well as I want to save all the subdomains in an output file. And let's name it subdomains.txt. And what it will be doing, it will try to pull out all the subdomains related with hacker1, and it is going to save it for us in a subdomains.txt. So you can see it is enumerating subdomain, and it will take some time. You can also modify the config file if you want to deep into it, or comment comment on this video that you want a tutorial related with its configuration. I'm going to provide that as well. As okay. So well, it will take time, but eventually it will work. You know what? You can also perform recursive subdomain search as well. As now, what is recursive scan? For example, if you have find any subdomain, let's say this support.hacker1.com, it will re-enumerate this subdomain in order to find out if there is any subdomain of this subdomain. So this is how it works. So well, right now you do not need to go into that thing, but it will keep discovering subdomains. But let me give you some tips for better enumeration. Combine the Subfinder with other tools. For example, a mass, which is one of the best tool, and asset finder, you can use it with other, as well as, I mean, you can entirely create an enumeration script for it. Okay. You need to validate those subdomains using httpx or nmap, and you can automate with scripts. Combine Subfinder with a bash or python script for large projects. It will take some time. I mean, it is already done. So if you are able to see it, yeah. So 17 subdomains for hacker1.com, and if we get subdomains file, you can clearly see that it is all good. So this is how to discover subdomains, and feel free to comment and make sure to subscribe. If you have any query, you can let me know. Thank you. Have a good day. Build your career in ethical hacking and penetration testing with MasaudSec. Are you passionate about cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and penetration testing? Ready to start a rewarding career in this field? Visit MasaudSec.com and click on cybersecurity and ethical hacking to explore my official course. What you will learn: comprehensive web application penetration testing from basic to advanced, master popular frameworks and premium tools like Burp Suite, gain expertise in bash scripting and bug bounty automation, hands-on practical experience with real-world hacking scenarios and machines, and much more. So here you can see the content of my course. It contains more than 24 modules. It almost covers everything that you need in web application penetration testing, ethical hacking, different tools and frameworks, different vulnerabilities from basic to advanced level. Everything is hands-on. All you need to do is to visit here, and after visiting it, as you can see, it contains everything that you need: bash scripting, xyz. After that, you just need to click on how can I help you, and you will be redirected to my WhatsApp, and after that you can contact me. Well, why choose this course? Well, you will get two offers. The first one is, if you only want to enroll for the course, it will cost you $100, plus you will get lifetime recording as well as lifetime support. Secondly, if you want to enroll for one-on-one mentorship, it will cost you $200 per month. It will be a 3 months of mentorship. It will include live sessions as well as recorded. You will get recorded classes, and you will get direct support. And it is basically industrial oriented training designed to help you kickstart your career in ethical hacking. Feel free to reach out via WhatsApp button on the website for more details.